Hello, so the next question is, an object is placed at a distance of 40 cm from a concave mirror of focal length 15 cm. If the object is displaced through a distance of 20 cm towards the mirror, the displacement of the image will be 30 cm away from the mirror, 36 cm towards the mirror, 30 cm towards the mirror, or 36 cm away from the mirror. So the correct answer for this question is fourth one. Now how we can find this is that first we will, as we know that 1 by v plus 1 by u is equals to 1 by f, so 1 by vi plus 1 by ui is equals to 1 by f. So from here we will find out the vi, which will come out to be minus 24, and then for final 1 by vf plus 1 by uf is equals to 1 by f, and from here we will find the vf, which will come out to be minus 60. So if we calculate the image shifting, then we can find that 60 minus 24 is equals to 36. So the correct answer for the solution is 36. Thank you.